Welcome to the Drain My Lawn channel, where our work reflects the God we serve. If you'd like to see your project on our channel, go ahead and check us out on drainmylawn.com and we'll see how we can help you. We'll get to this project. On this project, we're doing a really large French drain going to a sump pit to get groundwater. You can see it down there, just hanging out. We're about 3 feet deep to start. We'll end up about 5 feet. And see this pool liner, this groundwater is getting underneath and bubbling up the pool liner. So we're basically creating a relief valve with a French drain, a burrito wrap French drain that's gonna be through here. The water seems to come this direction and settle and just come from that direction. So not only will we probably catch it before then, just being this close and the water line being above where a French drain is going to be is going to allow this to flow. But you can see right there as we're digging, you're getting our water. We're getting groundwater. We'll have we're going to use a clean gravel just for cost. We're going to come all the way around here to the other side. We're going to do a French drain all the way around to a sump pit. Our sump pit's going to be over here in this vicinity. We're going to modify this 18-inch pipe and go down about 5 feet in this direction. And we'll put a pump, and we'll pump it into this catch basin to the rest of their system. All right, you see all that water? We put their geotextile fabric down, non-woven, and in this situation we had to create had to do 2 layers because it's such a big trench, and that is our socked perforated pipe down there. It has a sock on it just to prevent the fines from the rock from clogging it, so it just helps. And right here we're filling up our trench with the number 5 stone. We're using this because of the amount. We need to really make sure it just would have been far too expensive to do it with a washed river rock. About a 5-foot deep trench right there. All right, so we are wrapping up the stone, and this is a solid 2 feet of stone all the way down, and we're wrapping it up so that way it doesn't get infiltrated and clogged with dirt. All right, so here this comes to our sump pit. We're going to put a custom sump basin made out of this pipe. All right, check out how much stone that is. We just did 1 pipe because normally do 2 pipes to kind of get more flow, and we don't have to use as much stone, but we have a lot of stone, so we'll just keep on going. All right, we've cut our pipe. We got a little more than 5 feet, so we can cut a little bit off. We're using the bell end sticking up. Put a lid for the bottom here. All right, so we have our sump pit in here. It is down there at the bottom. So this rope here is to pull it out when we need to service it. We'll see this thing in action soon. We have our burrito wrapped French drain down there. Look how flat it is. And then that's going to be a solid pipe over there. So just walking on it right here. And yeah, we have a solid 2 feet by 1.5 feet of rock. And you can see it already starting to drain that direction. This is our solid pipe going to our sump basin over there. That then goes into it's going to be going into the catch basin over there. All right, we cut this line. This is a downspout extension. We made it, we cleaned it out, and actually made it, corrected the grade. It was kind of humped up. So this goes around and we're good. All right, so we're packing in the sump basin. We have that temporarily lit on there. It's cut up high so we can put the lid and cut it flush once we're all done grading. Repairing some irrigation lines, you see here. This is our tracer wire. Instead of putting it in with the pipe, which would have been 4 or 5 feet down, we left about 6 inches and then dropped there so that way you can locate it. But this will kind of this wire will give us our location. We'll be able to locate it. It'll be roughly the center of the whole thing. All right, and just like that, it's all finished. That's our sump basin. I guess we could put like a take the mulch bed and bring it around here and cover it up. This is a temporary solution right now until a more permanent line can be installed. But we have our little waterproof connector there. The sump pit empties into the catch basin here. Let's see if this thing is acting. Look at that. There we go. There you go. Brought that level down just like that. All right, everything's graded. We hardly raked everything out. This grass, this is Bermuda grass. It will come back. It'll grow right through it. It'll look good. But for right now, it's just going to take a little bit to grow up. It's early spring right now, so it'll take a little bit.